Hello everyone, welcome to this channel, and into this video I'm gonna show you on how to export your Microsoft Access database and MySQL Workbench. So this is our sample. This is a Microsoft Access database, and we will export only one table, this one, the box table, because this is a sample only. We will export in here in MySQL Workbench. So there are three database, but we will export here in Producto database. This is the database that we have created last time in my previous video. By the way, guys, in exporting the Microsoft Access database, we need to have a connector. Our connector will be the MySQL connector through ODBC connection. So if you don't have MySQL connector, you can download it for free, and I will show you on how uh, to set up that one. Like for example, okay, ODBC, or else you can type ODBC, and I'm using 64-bit, and we can create a data source name. Let us click add, and let us select the MySQL ODBC connector 8.0 version. Let us click on that, and we have to put a name, like for example, box product. And description, this is optional, but we can type trial. And for the server IP, we can put local host, and this is the username, root, and the password is my computer login. So this is the password of my SQL Workbench, and let us check test. Okay, connection successful, and now this is the time we have to select database. So this is the database Producto. I have to select this one and click OK. So now our new data source name has been created, the box product. So let's close this one, and let us go to this Microsoft Access database. So we will right click this box table and export, and select ODBC. It's box and machine data source. Let's click this one. This is our data source we have created a while ago. Okay, and close. That's it, guys. So now let's check. So let us refresh. Okay, so in table, let us check. Okay, so this is the box table we have exported from Microsoft Access. Let us check the details. We have to simply click this one, the grid line. Okay, so we will check the record. Okay, the magician nephew, her inbox table. Okay, magician nephew, and there are lots of records. There are 25 records. Let us check. Okay, as you can see, guys, there are 25 rows returned. So that's it for today's video. In my next video, I will show you on how to create a linked table between Microsoft Access and MySQL Workbench. So if you are planning to make your MySQL Workbench as your backend, so this video is for you. That's all. Thank you for watching, and see you to my next video.